Every smartphone begins as raw engineering material, not electronics. This aluminum frame starts with precision measured in thousandths of a millimeter. Before another process begins, every frame must match its digital blueprint. Even microscopic errors can affect waterproof sealing later. Surface texture isn't cosmetic alone. It also improves coating adhesion during later manufacturing. Anodizing transforms the outer surface into an exceptionally hard protective layer. The finish also improves scratch resistance. Even invisible contamination can compromise adhesive bonding later. Purity becomes increasingly important from this point forward.
Plasma treatment changes surface energy without altering shape. That allows industrial adhesives to bond more reliably.
While frames are prepared, the phone's electronic heart begins elsewhere. Every processor starts on ultra-pure silicon wafers. Yellow lighting protects photosensitive materials from premature exposure. Dust here is measured in particles nearly impossible to see.
Modern processors contain billions of transistors packed into a tiny chip. Pattern accuracy approaches atomic scale engineering.
Plasma selectively removes material only where engineers intended. This process repeats many times to build complex circuits.
Each deposited layer is thinner than most viruses. Hundreds of layers eventually become one processor.
Copper creates billions of electrical highways inside every processor. Uniform thickness ensures reliable performance. One defective transistor can affect an entire chip. Inspection happens repeatedly throughout manufacturing. One wafer becomes hundreds of future smartphones. Every cut must avoid damaging delicate circuitry. The processor is no longer just silicon. Its protective package prepares it for final smartphone assembly, still many stages away.
The processor cannot function without an equally precise circuit board. Every electrical pathway begins as a solid copper sheet.
Photoresist acts like a photographic stencil for electronic circuits. Only selected copper will remain after processing. Modern laser imaging increases both speed and accuracy. Every microscopic trace determines how electricity will flow.
Chemical etching removes copper with astonishing precision. Only the designed electrical network survives. Tiny vertical holes connect electrical layers hidden inside the board. Many are thinner than a human hair.
Copper plating transforms empty holes into electrical bridges. Without them, the motherboard cannot communicate internally. The familiar green surface protects delicate copper from corrosion. Only component connection points remain exposed. Some placement machines install more than 100,000 components every hour. Each movement is measured in milliseconds. Robots never guess component positions. Machine vision verifies every placement before release. Each integrated circuit performs a specialized task inside the phone. Perfect orientation is absolutely critical. The processor finally meets the motherboard built specifically for it. Alignment accuracy is measured in microns. Solder briefly becomes liquid before solidifying into durable electrical connections. Temperature control is essential to protect sensitive electronics.
Thousands of solder joints are checked automatically in seconds. Machine vision detects defects invisible to the human eye. Some connections cannot be seen from outside. X-ray inspection verifies what optical cameras cannot.
Before entering the smartphone, every motherboard proves it can think, communicate, and manage power. Only fully functional electronics continue to final assembly. The display begins as an almost invisible sheet of specialty glass. Its surface must remain perfectly clean before the first organic layers are applied. OLED pixels create their own light without requiring a backlight. Each organic layer is only a few molecules thick. Encapsulation shields delicate OLED materials from oxygen and moisture. Without it, display life would be dramatically reduced. Every pixel must respond perfectly before assembly begins. Even one defective pixel can disqualify the panel. Camera assembly demands extraordinary optical precision. A microscopic misalignment can noticeably reduce image quality.
Calibration teaches every camera how to capture accurate images. Each module receives its own unique correction profile.
Battery safety begins long before installation. Every cell must meet strict electrical and mechanical standards. Modern smartphones manage heat using lightweight thermal materials. Efficient cooling helps maintain long-term performance. Final cleaning prevents dust from becoming permanently trapped inside the phone. Assembly now enters its most delicate phase. For the first time, major smartphone systems become physically connected. Every mounting point must align without mechanical stress. These thin layers quietly move heat away from critical electronics. Their placement affects long-term reliability. Battery installation requires controlled pressure and exact positioning. Proper bonding improves both safety and serviceability.
Flexible circuits replace bulky wiring inside modern smartphones. Their compact design saves valuable internal space.
Each camera fits into a precisely engineered optical position. Even tiny placement errors can affect stabilization performance. The smartphone finally takes on its recognizable form, yet its most demanding inspections still lie ahead. Water resistance depends on a seal only fractions of a millimeter wide. Every millimeter of adhesive must remain perfectly continuous. Every screw receives a unique torque value engineered for its location. Too much force can damage components. Too little affects durability. Even the feel of every button is measured during production. Consistency defines the premium user experience. Hardware alone cannot become a smartphone. Secure software gives every device its identity before it ever reaches a customer.
One automated station can evaluate nearly every major smartphone function. Failures are identified within seconds.
Every camera is checked using standardized optical references. Software fine-tunes image quality before shipment. Uniform brightness is just as important as sharp resolution. Tiny visual defects are rejected before packaging.
Water resistance is verified without opening the device. Pressure testing quickly reveals even the smallest leak.
Reliability testing compresses years of normal operation into minutes. Only consistent performance earns final approval.
Human expertise and machine vision work together during the final cosmetic inspection. Premium quality depends on both.
Even invisible particles are removed before packaging. The first unboxing experience begins here, inside the factory. Packaging is carefully matched to each device's digital identity. Complete traceability continues beyond the factory. The manufacturing journey ends with secure packaging designed for global distribution. Every sealed box contains thousands of precision manufacturing steps. Automation continues long after assembly is complete. Smart logistics ensure millions of smartphones reach customers worldwide. From raw aluminum, silicon, glass, and advanced materials to one of the world's most sophisticated consumer electronics,